Our world is an amazing place, full of wonder and opportunity.
Through persistence and determination, we have achieved many things.
Sure, we will all fail along the way. It's part of the journey. But success is always around the corner if you practice. And that goes for maths and science too. We know these subjects can feel tough at times, which is why we built an intelligent online practice platform to help you.
We believe everyone can succeed with the right kind of practice and get a shot at the future they want. So, what's the right kind of practice?
For us, it's our simple 3-step recipe for anything you want to learn, and it works with every Siyavula practice session.
It's called the Arc of Practice. A. Attempt. R. Review. C. Correct.
It works like this when using Siyavula. First, attempt the question on your own. Don't just think about it in your head. Write down every step of your working, making your thoughts visible to spot where you are going wrong. When you feel your brain working hard to remember the steps, that's a good thing. It's called active recall.
Next, always review the full Siyavula solution. If you were correct, check your method was the fastest or easiest. If wrong, don't stress. This is where the real learning happens. Trust the process. Compare your answers to Siyavula's to find your mistakes. This immediate feedback corrects misunderstandings before they become habits. Reflective practice is how experts improve.
Now it's time to lock in your learning. Use a different colored pen to correct your mistakes in your notebook. Handwriting and color both signal your brain to pay attention and reinforce memory. Then, prove you've mastered the concept by trying a new version of the question on Siyavula to build the confidence you need to succeed.
This simple routine helps you focus, get feedback, and improve. It's how you get the most out of Siyavula and anything else you want to achieve. So remember, at Siyavula, we believe that practice makes anything possible.